This coaching planning session occurred with Susan Powers. The other science teacher involved in this co-teaching and co-coaching, team coaching experience is Veronica Melton. She was otherwise occupied during this planning period, giving a
Instructional
professional
goals for this
development
lesson
on classroom
are
management to other
High
teachers
School
within the school.
1.2.1
I will
and High School
communicate to her the results of this
2.3.1.
planning session on the morning before the class occurs.
So this is going to be a combined lesson of the 7th grade that you and Mrs. Melton co-teach together. So this is for the rocket lab for physics. What are they going to do?
They're going to build little rockets out of straws and tape, and they're going to be looking at gravitational potential energy, using rubber bands and pulling down and measuring how far they pull it, so we can look for a correlation between how far they pull it, how much energy is stored in the rubber band compared to how far the
Are
straw
you
goes.
using a spring scale or any other kind of measuring device?
No, we're gonna make our own
Oh, cool.
with the straws.
Excellent, excellent. So basically the only materials we're going to need are straws, rubber band, tape.
They're gonna need a balance, take the mass when they're done, so that we can get that kind of
Calculation.
measure.
Okay.
So
So basically, and this is basically the 7th grade class that I've already got demographics on. There are no technologies in this other than what we're making ourselves and we use the balance.
yeah, we use a balance. We actually build a little rocket. We use toilet paper tubes to be a launcher. And kids
Okay.
have a really good time with it.
Well, yeah, I mean,
So.
that's kitchen sink science, that
Sure.
works. Okay, are there any students in this class that are going to have an issue with any of the prospects or any of the process of this lesson?
Not in the classroom teaching.
Okay, okay, very good, then that should go off, then everything's on the sheet, right?
Yep, got the directions on here. It's got the, it lists the materials, and then I give them, I show them how to put together the chart, and then I made up analysis questions to go with it.
Okay, excellent.
So they have to graph the results, and they have to compare variables,
And this is gonna be completed across 2 class periods, one to do it, one to analyze it,
probably, that's
and
the
then a
goal.
third to go over it.
Right.
Okay, well, that works then. It's pretty straightforward.
Implementation of this lab occurred over 3 class periods, 2 to run the experiments and do the data collection, and a third to run analysis and do the math. Actual implementation varied from the planning session in that for the first lab session, Miss Melton was absent due to illness.